Hey guys, it's Todd. Quick 2-second video, probably, or near it. Tucked back in the corner, back there, is an old, I think, V1, V1.5 Duplicator 7. Basically a trash printer at this point. It's 3 or 4 years old. It needs a screen's on order. Plan is to convert this to nano DLP using a ramps for the Z, even though it currently uses nano DLP with a modified version of the stock firmware, stock controls, etc. I want to basically update it, replace the LEDs, which is also trash in it because it was super weak, and because ultimately it's just a Z-axis and it's a fairly robust Z-axis, so see if we can turn it into a decent printer for whatever parts I've got. Anyway, have a good one. Bye.